Good morning, Shloka children. English subject for 3rd class, Nana. So today our lesson is about what, Nana? That is 11th lesson, Ricky Tikki Tavi. Okay, na? It is a funny lesson, Nana, about the mongoose. First of all, tell me, Nana, what is mongoose? Mongoose ante telusa meeku? Mongoose means what? Mungisa. Avuna kada? Do you love to keep pets, Nana? Tell me first of all, do you have any pet in your house? Intlo pets unnaya? Pets means what? Animals which we keep with us in our houses along with us are called the pets. What are the pets you can keep with us, Nana? Cat, dog, rabbits, birds. Like that, many people will be keeping different types of pets. Yes or no, children? Do you like pets? Yes, of course. Each and everyone love the pets. Yes or no, children? In the same manner, in this lesson, Ricky Tikki Tavi was one of the mongoose. Mungis anamata. Tana parent Ricky Tikki Tavi. Okay, na? So Teddy is a boy name. He loves the Ricky Tikki Tavi. How he loves, we'll see in the lesson now. Okay, na? Warm up. Do you have a pet? If you had a mongoose as a pet, how would you take care of it? This is a story of a mongoose called Ricky Tikki Tavi that has just started living in a house with a young boy called Teddy and his parents. What is the story about, Nana? Yes, just now I told you, it is a story name. What is the name? Ricky Tikki Tavi. Ricky Tikki Tavi was a what, Nana? It's a name of the mongoose. Okay, Nana? Recently it came living in a house. Whose house, Nana? Teddy's house. And with his parents. Okay, na? We'll see the story, Nana. Ricky Tikki Tavi was a mongoose. Ricky Tikki Tavi was what, Nana? Mongoose. Mongoose and Demon Chippen. Mungisa and Chippekada. Yes. Teddy and his mother found him in the middle of their garden. So Teddy's house, Nana, small garden is there. Garden means, you know, no? Yes, garden is there. So Teddy and his mother, when they were roaming in the garden, they found this mongoose. Mongoose ane tanaki valaki dorikindannamata. It was very wet from the rain. What happened? He was very wet from the rain. So it was going on raining. On the day it was going on raining, Nana. So it became very wet. Okay, na? Let's take him and dry him, said mother. So who saw this Ricky Tikki Tavi? Yes, the mother and the Teddy has seen the Ricky Tikki Tavi. So what mother said? Mother told him that now we'll take this Ricky Tikki to our house and wet him. And enti tadichipoyindi kada, dry chedamu ani cheppu. Let me go and dry him ani cheppan. Dry ante enti kadamma? Tadichipoyindi kada, danni tudvatam tudchesi danni fresh ga tudcheste getti dressese aaripotundi body anta. Avuna kada? Yes. They took him into the house. Father rolled him up in a cotton wool to keep him warm. So what father did, Nana? Father also taken that mongoose and rolled in the cotton wool. Cotton wool lo cotton wool lo pettesesi mottam gettiga tudchesaru anamata father. After some time Ricky Tikki opened his eyes and sneezed. What happened? After mottam tudchesin tarvata emaindi? Ricky Tikki slowly opened the eyes. Chinnaga open chesesi sneezed ante tummidi tadichipoyindi kada water lo rain lo వర్షంలో తడిచిపోవడం వల్ల ఏం చేసింది? It was going on sneezing. Sneezing means తుమ్మటం అన్నమాట. Slowly it opened the eyes. Don't frighten him, said father. What father was telling to the Teddy, don't frighten him, భయపెట్టకు దాన్ని అని చెప్తున్నారు అన్నమాట. When Ricky Tikki woke up, he first tried to eat the cotton wool he has wrapped in. What, Nana? When he woke up from the తర్వాత ఏమైంది? What has happened, Nana? The father, Teddy's father, what he did? He rolled in a cotton wool పెట్టి మొత్తం తుడిచేశారు కదా. తుడిచిన తర్వాత ఎంతో కొంత తన బాడీకి టచ్ అయి ఉంటుంది wool అంతా కూడా. అవునా కదా? Yes. So when the Teddy woke up, opened his eyes, and what he started doing? He started doing the wrapping in. అంటే ఆ కాటన్ తన బాడీకి ఉన్న కాటన్ మొత్తము తుడిచేసుకుంటూ ఉందన్నమాట. Then he ran all around the table. After that, what he did, Nana? He ran around the table. Intlo one table is at home. In Teddy's home, one table is there. Around the table, it was going on roaming anamata. After he cleaned his fur and scratched himself, he jumped onto Teddy's shoulders. Amenama? After cleaning his body, what has happened? He jumped on the Teddy's shoulders. He went to the Teddy's shoulders. Teddy's shoulders ki ekkesinది anamata. Don't be frightened, Teddy, said father. He's just trying to make friends. What, Nana? yes, don't be frightened Teddy. Teddy భయపడుతున్నాడు అన్నమాట mongoose ని చూసి. So what said father ఏం చెప్పారు? Don't be frightened by seeing this Ricky Tikki. It is going to make you friend. తను నేను ఫ్రెండ్ చేసుకోబోతున్నాడు అని చెప్పింది అన్నమాట. How? It's licking my chin. ఏమన్నా అది చిన్న నాకుతుంది అని చెప్పని చెప్తున్నాడు అన్నమాట. Said Teddy. Ricky Tikki looked down Teddy's shirt, sniffed his ears and climbed down to the floor. What has happened, Anna? After that, coach, he is licking my chin, said Teddy. Ricky Tikki looked down Teddy's shirts, sniffed his ear and climbed to the floor. ఏం చేసింది? షర్ట్ నుంచి కింద చూసుకుంటూ షర్ట్ మీద నుంచి కిందకి దిగిపోయింది అన్నమాట. He sat there and rubbed his nose. What happened again? He sat down and rubbed the nose. Nose ఏం చేసింది? ముక్కు కిందకేసి రుద్దుకుంది అన్నమాట. How friendly he is, said mother. How friendly he is, said mother. Father gave him 2 bananas and Ricky Tikki liked him very much. What happened, Anna? What father gave him? Yes, father gave him 2 bananas and Ricky liked them very much. Father ఏం చేశారు? Teddy's father gave 2 bananas to the mongoose. So mongoose was liked by the bananas very much. Then he went out and sat in the sun and dried his fur. He felt much better after eating banana. What he did, Anna? He went outside. In the sun. ఎండలో కూర్చుని కాసేపు బాడీ అంతని ఆరపెట్టేసుకుందన్నమాట. Now he felt very much better. కొంచెం బెటర్ గా ఫీల్ అయిందన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? Yes, there are lots of things to see in the house. So it was new to the mongoose, no, Anna? Yes, the house was very new to the mongoose. So mongoose was very excited to see what is there in the house. Everything, each and every place, you want to check it out. You want to observe each and every place. So what happened? We'll see now. There are lots of things to see in the house. He said to himself. తనకి తానే mongoose కి తనకి తానే అనుకుందన్నమాట. There was many things to see in the house. Okay, I have to see each and every place అని చెప్పని మనసులో అనుకుందన్నమాట. I will stay here and find out all about everything. So today onwards I will stay here only and see each and everything అని చెప్పని అనుకుందన్నమాట. All day he roamed around the house. Full day it was going on roaming the house. Roaming the house అంటే చుట్టూ తిరుగుతూ ఉందన్నమాట. He fell into the bathtub and had trouble getting out. What happened, na? ఏం చేసింది? ఒక కుదురుగా ఒక దగ్గర కూర్చున్నా, ఒక దగ్గర ఎక్కడ కూర్చోలేదు. Did not sat any one place also. Full day it was going on roaming in the house. And afterwards what happened? It fell into the water tub. Water tub lo పడిపోయింది అన్నమాట. So again what happened? It became in a trouble again. So it was not able to come out from the tub. Tub నుంచి బయటికి రావడానికి చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడింది అన్నమాట. తర్వాత చూద్దాం. All day he roamed around the house. He fell into the bathtub and had trouble getting out. So what happened now? All day he was going on roaming and was not able to come out from the bathtub. చాలా ఇబ్బంది, టబ్ నుంచి బయట రావడానికి చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడింది అన్నమాట. Then he put his nose into the bottle of ink. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేసింది? బాటిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్ లో తన నోస్ పెట్టేసేసింది అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? ఆఫ్టర్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద వాటర్ టబ్ అగైన్ వాట్ ఇట్ డిడ్, నానా? It kept his nose in the ink bottle. Ink bottle లోపలికి తన ముక్కుని పెట్టేసింది అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేం చేసింది? He climbed down to father's lap to see what he was writing. So the father was writing something, Nana. Something what father was writing. So he clapped on the father's. The father ఒళ్ళోకి కూర్చొని ఫాదర్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడా అని చెప్పని దానికి ఏం తెలియదు, కానీ it was going on observing what the father is doing అన్నమాట. And at night he went out to Teddy's room and saw how the kerosene lamps were filled and lighted. ఏం చేసింది? Afterwards what it went on at night? He went into Teddy's room and saw how the kerosene lamps were filled and lighted. So afterwards at night he went to the Teddy's room. Teddy's room loki ellindi. In the Teddy's room what was there, Nana? Kerosene lamps are there. So he was observing how these kerosene lamps are lighting. Ela elugutunnayi ani cheppani observe chestu undannamata. Okay na? Next, when Teddy went to the bed, Ricky Tikki got into the bed with him. So after night what will happen? When night becomes, what will happen? We all go to sleep or not, Nana? Yes, at the same time Teddy also went to sleep. So but this Ricky Tikki Tavi slept. We'll see now what happened. Ricky Tikki did not got into bed with him. Ricky Tikki also got into the bed with him. Tanto pat Teddy to patu Ricky Tikki Tavi kuda bed meedaki ekkesadu annamata. But he was restless and did not sleep at all. He was restless and did not sleep at all. Okka nimisham kuda padukoledu. Mottam restless laga రెస్ట్లెస్ లాగా గోయింగ్ ఆన్ రోమింగ్. ఫుల్ రోజు మొత్తం కూడా నైట్ మొత్తం కూడా పెరుగుతూనే ఉండి తిరుగుతూనే ఉందన్నమాట అది. Whenever he heard a noise, he would get out from the bed and go and see what it was. ఏమైనా చిన్న సౌండ్ అయింది అనుకున్నానా, if he heard any small sound, he used to get up from the bed and he used to go out and observe what has happened. ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ, ఏం జరిగిందని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉందన్నమాట. In the morning, he went out into a large garden. So, in the morning, what has happened, Anna? Day night మొత్తం కూడా he was going on roaming. And in the morning again, what has happened? He went into a large garden. పెద్ద గార్డెన్ ఉంటే గార్డెన్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది అన్నమాట. There are many trees and bushes and lots of grass. So what he observed, Anna? Many number of trees are there, number of grass are there, bushes are there. So he was going on observing all the bushes and the grasses. Okay, na? Rikki Tikki was very happy. He ran through the long grass calling Rikki Tikki. ఏం చేసింది, గ్రాస్ మొత్తం గార్డెన్ మొత్తం కూడా చుట్టూ తిరుగుకుంటూ రిక్కీ టిక్కీ అని తన పేరు తనే పాడుకుంటూ తిరిగి హ్యాపీగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసింది అనమాట. ఇన్ ద మీన్ టైమ్ టెడ్డీస్ మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ కేమ్ ఇన్. ఇన్ ద మీన్ టైమ్ అంతలో ఎవరు వచ్చారు అక్కడికి, టెడ్డీస్ ఫాదర్ అండ్ మదర్ కేమ్. మదర్ హోప్డ్ దట్ ద మాంగూస్ would not bring any harm to Teddy. ఏమనుకుందామా, అనిమల్ కదా, mongoose is what, nana, animal కానా కదా. So when animals are there, mothers will be getting afraid of that animals. మా చిన్న టెడ్డీ is a small boy కదా, it could not harm anything అని చెప్పారు. ఏం ప్రమాదం చేయకుండా ఉంటే బాగుండు, చక్కగా ఉంటే బాగుండు, టెడ్డీకి ఏ ప్రమాదం జరగకుండా ఏం కాకుండా చక్కగా ఉంటే బాగుండు అని తన మనసులో అనుకుంది అనమాట. ఓకేనా. So Nana, I think you all love the pets. Okay Nana. So when you have pets, you will play with them. No, not children. Yes, we will play with them. So do pets will harm us? No, never that pets will harm us. Pets will not harm us. అవునా కదా. సో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మ్యానర్ నాన్న, వీ టూ షుడ్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ద పెట్స్. మనం కూడా చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా పెట్స్ మనం ఎంత ప్రేమగా చూస్తే అవి కూడా మనని అంతే ప్రేమగా చూసుకుంటాయి అనమాట. అవునా కదా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ఎ స్మాల్ లెసన్ అబౌట్ ద రిక్కీ టిక్కీ టబీ. Nana, children, please read the lesson. Okay, children, read the lesson. Underline the hard words wherever the hard words you feel, and that hard words you write down in your notes twice. Okay, children.